step into the 1999 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 8-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: passenger airbag on-off switch, driver airbag, ABS, engine immobilizer, 4-wheel disc brakes, power steering, passenger airbag, and 4-wheel drive. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned truck, this might be the one. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.